This is boring. I would like to do something really different. I'm tired of doing the same things. Okay, I think I'm gonna make a 4.5 volts James. Let's begin. This is not really complicated, so I'm gonna show you the entire process, how to turn this James into 4.5 volts. Good, excellent. So this is part of a talking James, and I don't need it. I don't need this. Let me get rid of all the circuit stuff here. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna leave this safety switch, because if it flips over the side, the motor will turn off. So yeah, so that's a good idea. So let's continue with the circuit board. I don't need the circuit board, and actually I don't need the switch back here. I will use the switch on the model. Oh, come on. I don't need the speaker. I just need the shell of this model, nothing else. Okay, get rid of this. I need this, and I don't need this. Okay. Gotta clean this first. Okay, let's get rid of the circuit board. I still need the switch for these wheels. For the switch located on the wheels will work as a safety switch. So let's see. Takes a little bit of time. Okay, there you go. So we have this safety switch here. And now let's remove the tender on this James. Okay, we don't need this, we need this and this. I'm gonna make a little test to make sure it works, because it's old. It's working. I might need a little bit of rubber tires. Okay. Alright, here is our new tender. It's not new, it's used, but this is the different one we're gonna put. Let me add some solder with flux. There you go. And this one too. We need only two, positive and negative. And now I gotta put this safety switch, so I will choose one of these. Let me see, I'm gonna put it right here. I will put it in any of these, either way, positive or negative, it doesn't matter. It's just a safety switch. Okay, right there. There you go. Okay, so the next will be the positive. I'm gonna use right here is the positive, so I'm gonna put it right in there, right in the positive. Let's see. I'm not trying to do a nice video today. I'm just doing a really easy demonstration so you can do it too. Let me see, I'm gonna twist these little wires, give it a little twist, and then do some solder right there. Okay. There you go. I think we are ready. I'm gonna do a little test, so need batteries. Okay, a quick test. I'm gonna put some batteries in here. So here's the thing, see the switch? Now here's the safety switch right here. Listen. So when the tender is in the floor, it's gonna work. I think that's too fast. That's the reason I sometimes I used to put just 2 batteries, because 3 is too fast. But anyways, let's see how it comes out. So let's prepare the area, and I gotta put some, right here. Here's a nice spot. So I'm gonna glue this exposed wire right here with hot glue, so we don't have problems. There. Okay, a little bit of glue right here to keep it in place, and a little bit of isolation to the exposed wire. Good. Come on. There you go. Excellent. I don't think these are good. I need to replace these ones. They're really toasted. Oh, look at that. See that? Those are not rubber tires. I need new ones. They will not have a good grip. So let's do a little quick test. I put the switch on. Excellent. Now I gotta replace the rubber tires. Okay, let's see. I'm pretty sure somebody's gonna say, oh, but that Tomy doesn't take those kind of wheels. Those should be yellow, blah blah blah. It doesn't matter, it's just a shoes for the model. But anyways, oh, it's really sensitive. I gotta turn off the switch. Okay, I think we are almost ready to do a test run. It's 7 in the morning. I think we can do a little bit of noise now. So how long does it took me to do this? I think it took me like 20 minutes, I think. It's too fast. Excellent. Still early in the morning, can make a lot of noise, but anyways, it runs fast.